How to fix DNS probe finished bad config error on Chrome. So if you want to fix the problem of DNS probe finished bad config error, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you need to go with the search under the settings and you need to search for internet or network settings, or just search for manage network adapter settings. And here you just need to simply scroll down and you will have change adapter settings option. Click on the Ethernet and then go with more adapter options. Go with edit and it will take you to this kind of interface. Or the simple way is to just open up your network connections. Under network connections, you will have this kind of interface. Simply go with the first one. And here you need to choose the Internet Protocol version 4. Double click on it and then go with use the following DNS server addresses. And here you need to enter the preferred DNS server. So you can either enter 8.8.8.8 and this will work. Just go with OK and again click on OK, and that's it. That's how you can fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.